Hello student, today I am going to discuss projectile fired at an angle with horizontal. At first, what is projectile? When a body projected into space or air such that it moves under the effect of gravity alone is called projectile. Example, a bullet fired from the gun is projectile. A bomb dropped from the aeroplane, a stone thrown into space, all are projectiles. Here, projectile is fired with an angle with horizontal. So consider that a projectile is fired with velocity u by making an angle theta with horizontal. The initial velocity u of the projectile resolve into two components, that is ux along horizontal and uy along vertical. So with respect to theta, the component of velocity along horizontal is ux equal to u cos theta and uy equal to u sin theta. Let at any time the projectile at point P so that its position along x and y axis are given by, along axis is say x and y axis is y. Now I am going to discuss equation of trajectory. What is trajectory? The path followed by the projectile is called trajectory. So what is the nature of the path followed by the projectile? That is we are going to discuss. So we are taking motion along horizontal. The position of the projectile along x-axis at time t is given by x equal to uxt plus half axt square. Here we are taking component of velocity acceleration along x direction. Here x equal to x, ux equal to u cos theta and ax equal to 0. In projectile, when the body is moving along horizontal direction, acceleration due to gravity is 0. Acceleration due to gravity is acting when the body is moving vertically upwards or vertically downwards. Therefore, x equal to u cos theta t, so ux is u cos theta and t plus half ax is 0 t square. Here x equal to u cos theta t, so therefore t equal to x by u cos theta, equation number 1. Now motion along vertical. The position of the projectile along y-axis at time t, y equal to uyt plus half ayt square. Now we are taking component of velocity and acceleration along y-axis, uy and ay. Here y equal to y, uy equal to u sin theta. Now, since projectile moving vertically upwards, the acceleration due to gravity is minus g. Therefore, y equal to u sin theta, since uy is u sin theta t plus half ay is minus g t square, u sin theta t value from equation 1, value of t is x by u cos theta, we are putting this u sin theta into x by u cos theta minus half g x by u cos theta. So u cancel, u sin theta by cos theta is x tan theta minus half g s square u square cos square theta. So y equal to x tan theta minus g by 2 u square cos square theta s square. Equation number 2. From equation 2, it is clear that projectile fired at an angle theta with the horizontal moves along parabolic path. The path followed by the projectile is called parabolic in nature. Parabolic. That is from equation this. You know y equal to m(s) square. So if an equation follows this one, then it represents parabolic path. Now time of flight. Time of flight. What is time of flight? The time taken by the projectile to remain in space is called time of flight, or another way you can say the total time taken by the projectile from its projection to reach again on the ground, that is called time of flight. The velocity of the projectile at time t along y-axis is given by Vy equal to Eyt plus Ayt. Here again the component velocity of actually along y-axis. Here Vy velocity at the vertical point, peak point velocity is 0, velocity of the projectile is 0. Uy equal to u sin theta, Ay equal to minus g, and t equal to t by half path we are taking. You see the diagram. Here projectile is starting from point of projection, O is the point of projection, recessed at the peak point, the where vertical velocity of the projectile is 0. So we are taking path division. So this is half path. Again from here to here half path. So total time is t, then from here to here is t by 2. Therefore 0 u sin theta plus minus g t by 2. Bring left side, g t by 2 equal to u sin theta. So t equal to 2u sin theta by g. This is the time of flight, expression for time of flight. Now maximum height. Maximum height, in the diagram you can see the maximum distance traveled by the projectile in the vertical direction is called maximum height, is denoted by capital letter H. The maximum distance traveled by the projectile in the vertical direction above the point of projection is called maximum height. The distance traveled by the projectile in time t along y-axis is given by y equal to Eyt plus half Ayt square. Here y equal to a is vertical distance, uy equal to u sin theta, and t equal to half distance, so t by 2. Half time will taken to reach, so 2u sin theta by 2g, 2 cancel, u sin theta by g. Therefore h equal to u sin theta into u sin theta by t is u sin theta by g plus half. Here ay is minus u, ay is minus g, and t is u sin theta by g square. H equal to u sin theta u square sin square theta by g minus half g u square sin square theta by g square, so 1g cancel. H equal to u square sin square theta by g minus u square sin square theta by 2g. H equal to u square sin square theta by g, 1 common, half, so 1 minus half is half, so h equal to u square sin square theta by 2g, 1 minus half is half, so half into u square sin square by 2g. H equal to u square sin square by 2g. This is the expression for maximum height traveled by the projectile when projectile is projected at an angle with the horizontal. In the next video, I'll discuss horizontal range and velocity at any time of the when the projectile is projected. We will discuss in the next video. Thank you.